Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find code of indicator on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the indicator option at the top, which is at the right side of the candle icon. So once you click over there, you will be able to see the another section where you can see the search bar. And you can see lots of options over there. You need to click on the technicals and now go to the scripts. Strategies. And now you can see tons of strategies over here. Let me choose any of them for a demo. So once you click over there, you just enabled it. Now you just need to hover over there and you can see the curly braces. You need to click on this and you can find code of indicator successfully. So basically this is how you can find the code of indicator on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.